Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of this channel. Today I like to show you how can you install paid apps totally free in your iOS device without jailbreak. So let's start. Before starting this process, you need to install profile and device management option. So you first go to your settings, general. Okay, here is my profile and device management option. You can see, so you need this for this process. If you do not know how to install profile and device management option in your iOS device, please see my video in this channel, how to install profile and device management in your iOS device. You can also find the video link in description below. So for this method you need to go to your Safari browser. Okay, just type to app and go. Okay, here you can see tutu.vip, tutuapp.vip. Just go to this website. Okay, hit the download button, download now. Okay, hit install. Okay, here you can see my tutu apps is installing, so it will take some time. Okay, tutu apps installed in my iOS device. So here you can see the apps. Just go to the apps. You need to allow. Okay, script. Okay, you need to download these apps. Just go get now. Okay, okay, no need to download this. Here you can see the apps, paid apps, which is totally free. Just go to game. Here you can see lots of game, which is first one is 3.99, which is free now. um, Here is another, which is $4.99, which is totally free. You can find bunch of VIP paid apps which is totally free for you. So go to apps. Here is lots of apps which is totally free. Sorry about my net connection. Due to net connection, most of them image is not come out. So I like to download one app. Here you can see camera plus. So if I like to download this paid apps, which is $2.99, so just click get. Now go to manager. Here you can see my apps is installing. So it needs some time, so I skip this step. Here is my camera apps. you can download another apps. Just go to manager, to here you can see lots of games, paid games. All of them are paid games. You can download easily, totally free. Here is Snapchat plus plus, camera plus, equalizer plus. All of the apps is totally free. Here you can download all the apps from here. So I hope you like this video. If so, give me a big thumbs up. If you have any question or comments, please comments below, and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.